This is Cheff Dee. We're down here on 88th and Pacific. We got everything going on, fried chicken, black candy-coated black gold chicken, our favorite sauce right here. We got dinners, we got fried fish, we got burgers and fries, we got everything your heart desires. All you gotta do is come down here, come get some. I'll be here. Rain, shine, or snow. I'll be here, let you know. Black gold ain't gonna never get old.
It's not a game.
We ain't playing. Where's that G? Got a box full of cheddar. About that G.
It's not a game.
We ain't playing. You know we run the street. Yeah, he probably do it good, but he don't do it like me.
We're gonna knock your socks off for all this new food we got coming up, all the new videos we got, all the footage we did in the last year or two. Everything's good. You got me? We're gonna have some broccoli, cheesy potatoes, garlic, rosemary, onion flavored chicken.
How many turkey?
This is Cheff Dee's turkey.
That's what I need to do.
Butter, gourmet, Thanksgiving turkey. Now this is the real deal. Vegetables and chicken and shrimp for the shrimp chicken fried rice. There's the rice. There's the chicken.
Big beans cause I'm fitted. Big place that's sticky. Every time I'm pushing candy paint, keep them all looking. Keep your eyes on the main mission. Ain't gon' stop, going to go get it. What I told her, she told me she with it. So I showed her, she gon' get it. That was big plots for the sticky.
It's not a game.
We ain't playing. Wanna stack G's. Got a box full of cheddar. Cause I'm about that G.
It's not a game.
We ain't playing. You know we run the streets. Yeah, he probably do it good, but he don't do it like me. Better know that. I'm all about my skillin', don't need no cash.
This one is black gold chicken, fried fish. We got everything. Come on down.
Come on down. That's KG3 the most, giving you a snapshot of what we got going on, made from the finest ingredients on earth. You understand me? Here goes the menu, just so you can check it out. Boom. We got flyers for your, you know what I'm saying, improvement, DVDs, town business, you know what I'm saying, 1, 2, and 3. We got it all right now, you know what I mean? 88th Pacific. Look for the sign, y'all know where it's at. One time.
Today's my birthday, and Cheff Dee fixed me an excellent meal. He says that this black gold is gonna do something for my lifespan. It's gonna help me increase my birthdays to come. This is Cheff Dee.
How is she doing?
She's doing great.
In the challenge in this?
I earned a secret recipe.
She heard one of my secret recipes, I gave it to her. Remember I told you about it? I gave it to her.
Yeah.
I did. Tiger prawns. Look at that. Large shrimp. Vegetables, Cheff Dee style. Alaskan king crab. Alaskan king crab. This is how I do this. This is how we have our fried rice. I don't know how you guys are getting yours, but this is how we have ours. Like this here. You're only gonna get this from Cheff Dee. You're not gonna get this nowhere else.
Putting commas in my skill tub, baby, hold that. Cause I'm a rider like some wheels and keep it clocking every city that we stopping that I feel I've been a pro at. Getting money, stacking cheese. It's running through my veins, call it Covita when I breathe under a cold Mac. Tried to tell you, girl, it's real. Feel this. Say, baby, let me show you how this game gon' go. Let me lace up your brain on how these things unfold. Oh yeah, I know. You say that.
You can't take it outside. Come on. Come on. You can't take it outside. You get out here and you better not run into one more person like you in a goddamn movie. Good. Only when I see that Look at this fool. Man, you as crazy as they come. You better not run into that dude. You gonna be in trouble. Wake up, Pete. It's time to go. Say, man, you better come on. Back up. You got all the people watching you and shit.
Quit watching me, then you won't see nothing. I run into it, right? I said, oh, you want to run into me? Is that how you feel?
Come on, this way. Come on.
I'm going to get away from you. I'm going to go fast as I can. So I'm going to eat everything before. I'm going to eat all my stuff before we go out the door so you can't take it.
You believe I'm going to take it from you?
Who did I put me on Instagram?
Alright, this ain't Instagram.
You gonna put me on?
On me.
I'm Instagram.
He's Instagram, huh?
I'm Instagram.
That's Instagram.
I'm Instagram. Yeah.
What is it?
Done Deal Entertainment.
I'm that too.
He's that too.
And guess what? I like this with ice cream. And guess what?
Hey, tell him to put his clothes back on. Put your clothes back on, man. What you doing?
I'm not cool.
Oh, we getting out of the store. Everybody looking at us like we taking it.
Keep his hand in the pot. She gon' get it, I'ma get it. She gon' give it once I spot it.
7th Fall, Dundle Entertainment, right there. You know, goes around the pants leg, around your sleeves. See that? Tie up. Everything's nice and tight. Put your hands in here like that. You got your hoodie. Put your hoodie on. You can two-tone it like this if you want. You can customize it any way that you want to do it. Any way you want to do it can be customized for you. Go to dmplayermusic.com and customize your own clothing and look just like Cheff Dee do. Real good. I know I look good. Yeah.
You crown with the skis from the town, caught the sound. We get down on the bed. We'll be fly forever. Oh no, yes, money is the topic. You do it cause you like it, you should do it for a profit. And stop it, quit acting like you modest. I'm good for spotting, you should do this, you ain't got it.
Barbecue. I don't know how much better does it get than that.
Teach you the cop, bitch, but this your move and drop it. And ain't no stopping, we going to the top, man. That's how we clockin', every day we clockin'.
We hope you keep supporting us. We're going to keep supporting you. And all of us, thank you from the Dundle Entertainment family. J Cheff, A-Train, Mac Dundee, Cheff Dee, J Scott, KG3 the most. We all thank you. Keep supporting us and we'll support you as well. Peace out of here.
Keep my flow track like a relay team. Selling online, doing my eBay.
I ain't trying to play no games. I'm only trying to show you all the ways that I can mold you. Just try, don't hate this game.
And I'll teach you how to do it step by step. Okay, this is just about done. How is that?